Question number 5. Write 5 log a minus 4 log b minus 3 as a single base 10 logarithm. We should know log base 10 of 10 is equals to 1. Secondly, we should know that a log of b is equals to the log of b to the power of b. So 5 log of a, by applying this property, we will have log a to the power of 5 minus 4 log of b is equals to the log of b to the power of 4 minus 3. We can multiply with log base 10 10, and log base 10 of 10 is also the log of 10, because when we don't use any base, it means it is 10. So we can write it log a to the power of 5 minus log b to the power of 4 minus log of 10 to the power of 3. Now we have another property that log of a minus log of b is equals to the log of a over b. So we can apply this property to the first two terms. So log of a to the power of 5 over b to the power of 4. This is a one property minus log of 10 to the power of q. We can apply again the same property. So we will have log of a to the power of 5 over b to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of q. Part B, solve the equation log base 5 x plus 1 minus log base x plus 1 5 equal to 0. One concept you should remember, that log base of a to b is equals to 1 over log of b base a. So log 5 of x plus 1 minus, so we can apply this property. For example, log base x plus 1 5 is equals to 1 over log base 5 x plus 1. So we can write it minus 1 over log base 5 x plus 1 equal to 0. So by taking LCM, we have log base 5 x plus 1. So this one will be log base 5 x plus 1 time log base 5 x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now considering log base 5 x plus 1 equals to y, so this equation is equal to y times y minus 1 over y equal to 0, and this one is equal to y square minus 1 equal to 0. So we have y square minus 1 equal to 0, so we can say that y square is equal to 1. So taking under root both sides, we will have y equals to 1 and y equals to negative 1, because y is equal to plus minus 1. Now we consider the y is equals to log base 5 x plus 1, so we can write it log base 5 x plus 1 equals to 1, and here log base 5 x plus 1 equals to negative 1. So in this case, x plus 1 is equals to 5 to the power of 1, and in this case x plus 1 is equals to 5 to the power of negative 1. Now further solving, we will have x is equal to 5, and when we switch positive 1 on the right side, it will be negative 1, so we will have x is equal to 4. On the other side, x is equals to 5 inverse, which is 1 over 5, and this one will be switched on right side, it will be negative 1. So taking LCM, we will have x is equal to 1 minus 5 over 5, which is equals to negative 4 over 5. And we have the x is equals to 4 and x is equal to negative 4 over 5.